Good morning, students. Now we study about the cement. Preparation of the cement. Manufacture means preparing. So how the cement is prepared? Okay. So here we will see the history. Cement is essential in construction of buildings. Essential means very important thing to construct, to build the buildings. The meaning of the word cement is something that binds or glues together other materials. Glues means what? Like gum na binds. So in between the bricks they keep the cement to paste the two bricks. So like that they use it na. So cement was first made by whom? Joseph Aspidin. Who found the first made the cement? Joseph Aspidin. He called it Portland cement. After preparing that cement first time, he called that as a Portland cement because it was as hard as the limestone found in Portland. So to prepare the cement, we need the limestone. So after preparing the cement is very hard, it seems, like the limestone that found in the Portland. The Portland is one place. There we find more limestones. Okay. So like that it is called. So he gave the first name like Portland cement. Cement is not a chemical compound. It is a mixture of chemical compounds such as silicates. Cement itself is not a compound, but it is a mixture of so many compounds like silicon means sand. Okay, SAND, sand. The sand chemical name is the silicate or silicon. Okay, and aluminates of calcium. Therefore, it does not have fixed chemical composition or formula. Since cement is a mixture of so many things. What are the mixture of so many things? Silicate and aluminate of silicate calcium or aluminate calcium. Therefore, it does not have fixed formula. So, the properties of cement are also not fixed. For example, it does not have a fixed melting point. Other things has the melting point and boiling point. It does not have a fixed melting point. The percentage composition of element is shown in the table. So, how much percentage should be taken? In the cement, what are the things are present? We will see here. Calcium oxide formula is what? CaO. How much is present? 61 to 65% of composition mixture. And silica, sand, SiO2, silica, it is present 20 to 25%. Alumina, Al2O3, it is present 5 to 10%. Magnesia, MgO, 2 to 3%. Iron oxide, 1 to 2%. So this much it is present in the cement. So now we will study how to make the cement. Okay, so the raw materials cement manufacture means what? Preparing. The raw materials needed in manufacture of cement or limestone. Okay, so what are the raw materials needed to prepare the cement? The first one is the limestone, CaCO3, limestone, calcium carbonate. Ca means calcium, CO3 means carbonate. Calcium carbonate means limestone. Clay and gypsum. Clay contains large quantities of oxides of iron, aluminium and silicon. Now we see here what are the things should be needed. So clay and gypsum. Clay means mitti, soil like na, and gypsum. Gypsum means what? Plaster of Paris. Sorry, not plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris also prepared from the gypsum only. Gypsum means to build the buildings we get the small stones na, like black color stones to keep the roof, concrete. So that stones are called as a gypsum. For example, to prepare the tar roads also they use the small stones like black color stones na. That stones are called as a gypsum. So it is the so this clay is having all those things. What are the things it is having? Iron oxide, aluminium, and silicon. So all these things are present where? Silica, aluminium, then afterwards which one? Iron oxide. It is present in the clay, in the mitti. Silica means sand. Okay, like that it is. And calcium oxide is this one from calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, when it is heated, carbon dioxide is removed and we get only the CaO, calcium oxide. So these are the things we use in the to prepare the cement. What are the things we need? Limestone, clay and gypsum. And clay has the oxides of iron, aluminum and silicon. So how to prepare the cement? Some steps are there. 3 parts of limestone and 1 part of clay. 3 parts means, for example, in the 100%, 75% of the limestone and 25% of the clay. 1 part of clay is are pulverized. Okay, so pulverized means, what is the meaning is making into small pieces. Okay, this limestone is a like big stones like na. So this limestone and clay together we have to pulverized means making into small pieces. After making the small pieces, we have to make it as a fine powder. Fine powder matlab kya hai? Very soft powder. Okay, so the powders are mixed and heated in a kiln. KILN, kiln. So where temperature is maintained between 1100 degrees Celsius to 1800 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the, here you see na, that calcium carbonate and then clay, everything we have to making into fine powder, and then it should be heated in the kiln. This one like furnace, blast furnace, we studied in the to separate the iron metal na metallurgy lesson. So blast furnace means closed one, but inside that we send the heat. Kiln na, so now this is the closed, but through this they are sending the hot air. Okay, hot air, heat they are sending through this, and like this na. So inside of this it is heated. Which one is heated? Calcium carbonate and the clay is heated inside of this. Okay, and the second one is what? Limestone undergoes thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat. Decomposition means what? Breaking. One reactant, only one reactant breaking into 2 or more products are called as a decomposition reaction. So because of the heat, this limestone will be breaking and divided into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, 2 things. So now again this calcium oxide will be reacting with the clay, oxides of clay. In the clay, oxides are present like silicate, silicon oxide and alumina oxide and iron oxide. These 3 things are present in the clay. So that this calcium oxide will be reacting with the first silicate oxide. So here this one, when it is react, it is forming the di means 2, tri means 3, tri also 3, tetra means number 4. So dicalcium silicate, CaO SiO2 formula. So when at this temperature, again at this temperature, when this calcium oxide reacting with the calcium oxide is increasing na 3, here 2, and here we get the tricalcium silicate. Again here 3 and aluminum oxide, at this temperature it is forming a tricalcium aluminate. So this also like this tetracalcium alumina ferrite. At this time you should know so many formulas because you are studying class 10th. You don't say we can't understand the equations, formulas. You should by heart all these formulas actually. Otherwise when you take this biology in 11th, you will be suffer. Okay, so the aluminate and silicate mixtures, after reacting everything, all the reactions taking place in this one only. Okay, so here what happens? So obtained from the furnace, this is the furnace, a rotary kiln means rounding na. So is in the form of a small hard balls or pebbles and is called as a clinker. Okay, after calcium oxide na, it will be calcium carbonate, limestone, the thermal decomposition takes place, it will breaking into carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. Carbon dioxide will be sending outside, and but calcium oxide will be reacting with the clay. In the clay so many things are present na. What are the things are present? Iron oxide, silicate oxide and aluminum oxide, everything it is reacting, and at the end it forming a tetracalcium alumina ferrite. Okay, so here it is formed after, at the end product we get is what? As a small hard balls or pebbles. Pebbles means like small stones, we get the product. It is called as a clinker. So this clinker, afterwards what happens? This clinker will be cooled here. This is the clinker. So through this the product will be going to the clinker. Here it will be cooled and they add the gypsum here. What they add? Gypsum. 2 to 3% gypsum they add, and here we get this one calcium sulfate and water is added to it. So gypsum formula is what? This is the one, gypsum formula. Okay, and added to it, this mixture is pulverized. Pulverized means again making into like a fine powder. Into fine powder. Mixture is pulverized into fine powder, first baking into small pieces and then making into powder. So this is the one. And then here raw material means what? Here they are mixing the clay and calcium carbonate, limestone. After mixing, it is poured into the kiln. Here calcium carbonate, because of the heat, it forms the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is released. Calcium oxide will be reacting with the clay. In the clay we have the silicate, aluminumate and iron oxide, and afterwards it gets the product. That product will be going to the clinker. In this clinker means what? After this reaction, product we get as a hard pebbles, like hard stones. That is called as a clinker. That clinker is cooled here by adding the gypsum. Okay, so afterwards, again after cooling, again it is making into small pieces and make as a fine powder. So this one is the cement. Okay, here is the things you see: limestone plus K mixed in correct proportion, pulverized, making into small pieces and powder, keeping the rotatory clean and heated, and becomes a clinker like hard pebbles. It becomes like hard stones, and then gypsum is added, and after adding the gypsum, what happens? And again ball mill. In the mill it will making into small pieces, pulverize, and we get the cement. So this is the preparation of the cement. So here chimney means what? All the waste gases will be sending outside through the chimney.